Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Yeah, we got a 2018 Transit Ford. We end up installing the deadbolts. Okay, this is what it does. Okay, and yeah, basically make a hole on the other side. We got a plate. The rod goes through this door. So, you know, if somebody tries to break in and try to empty this guy's equipment, they won't be able to. The minute they bust this thing out, the door, it has the rod across. They won't be able to open the door, and if they keep ratcheting this door, the alarm's going to fire off. And we hooked it up so he can get a text message on his phone. And then the side door, this is what the motor looks like. Deadbolt, man. Hopefully he can get a cover, because it was surprising. Normally these vans come with a plate here. But ironically, this one, it was out in the open like this. But yeah, he might have to get a piece of wood and just cover this whole thing up. The only thing you're going to see is this rod. And what the rod does is when you close the door, it shoots the rod forward and keeps this door from sliding back. And then we went ahead and gave him the Viper Smart Start app. And basically, he's going to on the unit, unlock the doors. Unlock the doors. Track it is here. It gives you the tracking. Tells you Transit Connect. Tells you the signal of the unit. And then, of course, if the alarm fires off, he'll get the alert on his phone right away. And then it has the, you know, the remote control that he's able to lock and unlock it. So if he gets on a phone call, he doesn't really have to do it from the app. But from the app, you can do it virtually anywhere in the United States, maybe even out of the country. If you have internet connection, you'll be able to track the vehicle and lock and unlock it all the way from another country. Panic button is here. Okay, and then the arm and disarm it is here.